Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what the TV needs and then open the Settings app. Make sure your TV model and OS are known because menus differ. Once done, connect the USB drive or enable phone casting and sign into cloud storage if you'll use it. You need the image in a supported format and a reasonable resolution. Now navigate directly to display or wallpaper sections in Settings. Don't browse apps first. This gets you into the right menu quickly, so you can set the wallpaper. Now perform the detailed selection and adjustment steps. Go into Settings, then Display or Personalization, and open Wallpaper or Screensaver. Choose the source, USB, built-in photos, casting from phone or cloud storage, and let the TV load thumbnails. Use the preview to crop or scale. Make sure the aspect ratio fits the screen to avoid stretching. Once satisfied, pick layout options like Center, Fit, or Stretch, then confirm Apply. The TV may take a moment to set the image across home. Finish by verifying the wallpaper appears where you expect, home screen and lock screen, and make adjustments if it doesn't. If the image fails to load, restart the TV and reconnect the USB or reinitiate casting. Temporary glitches often resolve this way. If problems persist, confirm file format and resolution, match the TV's requirements, and install any firmware updates. Only consider a factory reset as a final step. This sequence ensures the wallpaper sticks and gives you one reliable troubleshooting measure to try first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.